my main advice that I give is just, do really think deeply before you start. What can you do that is kind of unique? What can you do that will stand out? Not just, kind of look around in the newsletters maybe you're receiving. What is something that you think is missing that you can add that no one else can? I think that is something I think a lot of people start out with something that's way too broad or way too general already being done, and that will kind of get lost in the shuffle. So I think if you really focus on something unique and then you just kind of start it and you kind of keep workshopping it, kind of slowly gain subscribers. Don't expect it overnight, but you hear feedback from them. That's the great thing about email newsletters, is people are very comfortable clicking the reply button. They will tell you how they feel about it.
Oh yeah.
And then you kind of get that feedback and you kind of keep seeing what's working, what doesn't. But yeah, that's the great thing, is that like all the infrastructure is right there for you, whether you use MailChimp or Substack or any others. It is kind of easy, and what's great, social media, you can share it and really, that's what I found is like, it is kind of intimidating at first as a student, as a young person, but if you are putting good content out, people are very comfortable now with trusting someone in college, just like they do the New York Times, Washington Post. I think there's parts of that is good and part of that is bad, but it is the reality. And that's kind of the moment where in media is that kind of, it's all very democratized. If you're putting out good content and you're putting out quality work, it can kind of gain the credibility of these kind of legacy outlets. It does take a lot of work and persistence, but it's possible for sure.